Hey there guys, I was contacted by Vont, and I believe about 2 years ago we worked with Vont on their bike lights and liked them very much, and I was contacted again to try out some of their bike lights and their clip-on lights. We love LED lights around here. You know, Jimmy loves them. He's loved them for years before they were even really widely distributed, and people were using them. He was onto LED. But we love these kind of lights. These work great too in electrical outages, which sometimes can go on in this area for days. So, you know, not the bike lights, the clip-on lights, headlights, things like that, you know. So anyway, let's take a look at these. You know that my daughter's a cyclist, I'm a cyclist. I go out sometimes and ride so long that it does get to dusk, and a bike light is really handy and a very important safety feature, let's face it. So let's take a look at the bike lights first. Now these are available on Amazon. There will be links in the video description. So this is a set, 4 modes rechargeable LED bike light set. We open the package. This is how it comes. Okay, here's our chargers for our lights. And then we have these that'll let us attach them. And here we have a little card. Okay, and then this is probably instructions, specifications, so yeah, installation. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So these are different than, you know, of course, the styles change. These look very new and modern. That's our on-off, okay? So I pressed it once. I'm just trying to make sure you see this. So I press it again. And then we have a blinking. And then it's off. So press it once, it's on. Press it again, it looks like it goes dimmer. So it comes on and flipped. Then you've got a fast blink, and then you've got like this pulse. So that's that light. And then this light, got a full-on red, a little dimmer, got the blink, and the pulse blink. So now these are to attach it to your handlebars, your tail, you know, your seat, wherever you could hook your tail light. So if it's on the underneath your seat, that part of your bike. There's also a clip if you wanted to wear this light. So it's very versatile. Let's see where we charge this. Should be a little port. Looks like down here. Yeah, there's our port. So we just plug our charger into there and then into any USB port. So we'll just pull this little flap so this keeps it from getting wet in the elements. I still would, you know, of course, take them in when you're done, not just leave it out there, but if it's raining or something while you're biking, shouldn't be affected. Okay, so you put that in and then you just plug it in to any outlet. Again, the on-off is on top, and I just want to see how we're attaching this around the seat part or handlebars and hook the strap to the knob on the light. Oh, I see. Okay. So yeah, that's a silly. Let me see if I have anything to simulate. Well, it would go around. It's very stretchy, right? And then you attach both parts onto this. So it would go around, and then you're clipping through there like that. All right, so these are great. I can't wait to try these out. And let's take a look at the clip-on lights. So the clip-on lights, like I said, these are really handy during power outages to keep the kids, let them read something, to let myself read something, and to give the room a little light while we're there. So you've got, and we can talk more about emergency kits, like, you know, having a lot of these types of lights, make sure they're charged, headlights and stuff like that. Very important, especially around here. So we have a nice, this is bottom. I was just looking at when it has a nice clip, so you can clip it onto something, okay? You could clip it on to your headboard. You could clip it on to, you know, countertop, whatever. You could clip it somewhere where you want it to stay if you were camping, okay? It also has nice rubber, or I don't know if they're rubber, but non-slip feet. So when I put it on the counter, look how nicely, I mean, I'm pushing and that's not moving. That's nice, right? That's nice. You could use them when you're traveling as well. So we have it like that. Now this right here is going to dim the light. You'll see the different intensities. If I turn it to the side, maybe you can see it a little bit better. One, 2, 3, off. 1, 2, 3, off. So a good bit of light, nice handy clip, nice sleek design. This will go in all different kinds of directions, so you can get light exactly where you want. Sturdy, flexible. What's not to like about that? So nice glossy white finish, and then you have your charger for it. So again, I will put links to the product in the video description. They can be found on Amazon. So right here is where you plug your charger, and then again in any USB charging port, you just put that in, and that's terrific. So again, this is the Vont LED bike light set, 4 modes, rechargeable, and then we have this, the clip-on light, white, you know, rechargeable, just a great little accessory, 3 different levels. Okay, and a half brightness, the bike lights, slow flashing, fast flashing, and 3.5 hours on a charge for the full brightness. For the half brightness, 10 hours, and that's a headlight. And for the flashing, 10.5, slow flashing, 10.5 hours, and 10 hours for the fast flashing. And then on the tail light, you have full brightness, 2.5 hours on a battery charge. On the half, 9 hours. On the slow flashing, you have 9.5 hours, and on the full flash mode, you have 9 hours. Charging time from, you know, to give it a full charge is about 3 hours. Waterproof IPX4, and so great. So check it out if you have a cyclist, or like I said, you don't need to. You can use them for many other things other than just your bike. To fully charge the lamp would be 12 hours. If it's not used in a long time, you know, check the charge, give it a charge. Again, we could talk about an emergency box preparation, but this is by Vont, again, V-O-N-T, available on Amazon. I will put the the link to their products, each of these, in the video description of this video. Let me know what you think about these, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye now.